Lucy. Where are we, Lucy?
Dad, look at the LA Galaxy.
Whoa. Lucy, be nice. Be nice. Lucy, be nice.
LA Galaxy.
Yeah? Oh my goodness, look at that. Well, you know what? Material things sometimes are better left
Do you think they would allow us to bring this?
not wanted.
Dad, do you
What?
think they would allow us to bring this
To?
home?
What? No. You can't covet that which is not yours.
It's just such a good ball.
Yeah, but it's also intended for the doggies.
I wish we had a ball like this.
Okay, I want Aunt Bibi to see that Lucy's getting along just fine with this little pug. Is that a pug?
French Bulldog.
French Bulldog. Lucy's getting along fine with the French Bulldog, not trying to eat it. My sister's convinced that Lucy's going to eat her little pug. You're doing good, Lucy. You're doing really good. I'm impressed with you. Impressed with your behavior. Here all the other dogs are playing. Oh, look at this guy. Look at this guy. That's a serious bulldog. That's a bulldog, right? English bulldog. That's like the Hoyas.
I remember when they put the box
Hoyas.
I remember when they put the box of the Rutgers, and then they put the Hoyas guy, put the Hoyas little bulldog, and then he started ripping it up.
Lucy, what's going on over there?
They're going. They're whistling.
Lucy, why won't you play with your peers? Lucy, why won't you play? Lucy, why won't you play?